What's up, y'all? What's going on? Thank you so much for watching my video yesterday. If you haven't watched that video yesterday, go check it out. This is me on the path of $30,000 a month. If you don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur, and my main business is stickers. And if you watched my videos 2 days ago, I just got this really cool sticker shelving up so I can help scale the business. So going from, we're around $10,000 to $15,000 a month, but we want to get to 30. So if you're interested in that, subscribe down below and also give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and also have other people find me just like you did yourself. Today, we're going to be doing customer orders, and we also have some FBA shipments we got to get out. So we got this, and then we have like 4 more that we have to get out. So we're gonna get that, we're gonna get that done, and then we'll be done. But at the very end of the video, I will be going over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. So let's get started. Let's get our customer orders shipped out. So I will be doing a time lapse of that right now so you can see what I do on the back end. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, I'm so pumped. I just got myself a new razor cutter. The other one's been kind of broken. I'm hoping this is a metal piece right here, but so I got this. I got 500 labels, 4x6 thermal labels. I got some more envelope sticky stuff to close the envelopes. And then I just got some 9x12 envelopes for bigger decals. So I saved money by using envelopes. It's $1.50 for shipping rather than $4 or $5. So I'm saving like $4. I'll be actually making $4 more in profit for using these for big decals. So good job, me, for thinking about that. Let's go open this stuff up and get back to work. All right guys, so I just finished up my FBA shipment, so I'm gonna go take this to the UPS store. So this is the end of the video, and now we will be going over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. Also, there will not be a video tomorrow or the next because I am not working on the weekends anymore, or I'm not making videos on the weekends anymore. So we'll catch up to you on Monday, but if you have not caught up to my videos in the past week or two, go check them out. I'll put them up right here, and go check out my other videos. I will see you guys later. Have a great rest of your night. Let's go over yesterday's revenue. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $88.47, which is one of our highest days this week. We are at $314.32 on Amazon, so a total of $403 in revenue yesterday. So we are now at $4,500 or $4,556, and it has been less than 2 weeks. So I have high hopes we can hit at least 15K this month. So if you guys enjoyed these videos, please subscribe down below. I make a video almost every single day until we hit $30,000 a month. And also, if you could like this video for more people to find this video, it would help me a lot as well with the YouTube algorithm. So thank you for that. I will see you all on Monday. Have a great rest of your weekend. Peace out.